First Data FD150 Common Issues. Facing issues with your First Data FD150 can be frustrating. Understanding common problems can save time and effort. Here are some frequent issues and how to solve them. Device not powering on. If your FD150 device is not powering on, check the power connection first. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into the device and the power outlet. Sometimes, loose connections can cause power issues. Verify the power outlet is working. Try plugging in another device to check. Inspect the power cord for any visible damage. Replace it if necessary. Check the power button. Hold it down for a few seconds. If the device still does not power on, there may be an internal issue. Contact technical support for further assistance. Display problems. Display problems can hinder the use of the FD150. If the screen is blank or has lines, follow these steps. 1. Restart the device by turning it off and on again. 2. Check the display settings. Ensure brightness is set correctly. 3. Inspect the screen for any physical damage. Replace it if cracked. For issues like flickering or freezing, updating the device firmware can help. Ensure the latest firmware version is installed. Problem solution for any physical cracked. Device not powering on. Check power connection, outlet, cord and power button. Display problems, restart device, check settings, inspect screen, update firmware. Addressing these common issues can help keep your FD150 running smoothly. Let me know.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit hellotroubleshooting.com.